Hello everyone and welcome to Pulse 24. I'm your host, Nate, and I'm thrilled to dive into the electrifying world of tech with you. Today, we're going to be unpacking some seriously juicy stories. AI data centers gobbling up all the power, a $9 billion acquisition shaking up the AI infrastructure landscape, and a radical new approach to AI regulation inspired by airlines. Buckle up, folks, because it's going to be a wild ride. And to help me navigate this tech tornado, I'm joined by the one and only Dr. Anya Sharma, world-leading AI authority. Anya, welcome to the show.
Thanks, Nate. Always a pleasure to be here, ready to untangle some tech threads.
Fantastic. So let's kick things off with a story that's got me buzzing. AI fuels utility surge. Apparently, all these AI data centers are power-hungry beasts, and they're turning utility analysts into the new rock stars of investing. I mean, are we talking about a world where my toaster is going to dim every time someone trains a new AI model?
Well, Nate, you're not entirely wrong. The rise of AI is dramatically increasing power demand. Data centers, which are essential for AI operations, require massive amounts of electricity. Some analysts predict their energy needs could double by 2030. But it's not just about your toaster dimming. This surge in demand is pushing utilities to invest heavily in infrastructure and explore new energy sources. It's a huge challenge, balancing the need for more power with environmental concerns.
Okay, so it's bigger than my breakfast. But isn't it ironic? We're using AI to solve problems, but it's creating a massive energy problem in the process. Are we just kicking the can down the road here, Anya?
Not necessarily. AI can also be part of the solution. Utilities are exploring AI-driven tools for things like demand forecasting, grid optimization, and even energy trading. The ability to accurately predict and manage energy demand is becoming super critical in this landscape. So it's a challenge, but also an opportunity for innovation.
All right, that makes me feel a little better about the future of our power grids. Now let's move on to our next story. CoreWeave acquires Core Scientific. A $9 billion deal. That sounds like serious business. Correct me if I am wrong, but wasn't Core Scientific a Bitcoin mining company? Are we saying that AI is now more valuable than crypto?
You've hit the nail on the head, Nate. Both CoreWeave and Core Scientific were indeed involved in Bitcoin mining before transitioning to meet the growing demand for AI computational power. This acquisition signifies a major consolidation in the AI infrastructure space. CoreWeave is a specialist in AI data centers, and this move is a strategic effort to expand its capabilities and market presence.
So it's like the AI gold rush, and CoreWeave is buying up all the land. Does this mean fewer players and potentially higher costs for companies that need that computing power?
Potentially, yes. Consolidation can sometimes lead to reduced competition. However, it also allows for greater efficiency and economies of scale. The deal highlights the increasing value and demand for specialized data centers that can handle the intensive processing requirements of AI and machine learning workloads. It's a sign of how critical this infrastructure is becoming.
Okay, Anya, now for our third big story, AI regulation, airline industry model. So, the idea is to regulate AI like we regulate airlines. Does that mean we'll need a pilot's license to use ChatGPT?
Not quite, Nate. The idea is to create a federal agency responsible for both promoting and controlling AI technology, similar to the aviation industry's regulatory framework. This agency would establish safety standards and testing frameworks to ensure AI systems undergo thorough evaluation before deployment. Think of it like ensuring self-driving cars are safe and reliable before they hit the roads.
Okay, I get it. So less about individual users and more about the systems themselves. But isn't that going to stifle innovation? Will this mean that Europe will pull further ahead in the AI race?
That's the big debate, Nate. The goal is to strike a balance, fostering innovation while safeguarding against potential risks. The article suggests that state governments would also play a crucial role, collaborating with the federal agency to implement and enforce AI regulations. The point is to learn from other industries and leverage existing frameworks to create a comprehensive and effective AI governance system.
All right, Anya, now it's time for the lightning round. I'm going to throw some headlines at you, and you give me your quick-fire reaction. Ready?
Bring it on.
First up, Huawei denies AI plagiarism. My take, where there's smoke, there's fire. You can't convince me that they didn't copy some code.
Actually, Huawei's AI research division, Noah's Ark Lab, has refuted these accusations, asserting that their Pangu Pro large language model was independently developed and trained. It's a complex issue, and it's not always easy to prove or disprove these claims definitively.
Okay, fair enough. Next headline, AI monitors pool, saves swimmer. Creepy, but effective. Are we going to have AI lifeguards everywhere soon?
Potentially. AI-powered monitoring systems can provide an extra layer of vigilance and improve response times in critical situations. In the story, the AI system quickly identified the swimmer in distress, enabling lifeguards to respond swiftly. It's a great example of AI augmenting human capabilities for the better.
Fascinating stuff, Anya. Thanks for shedding some light on these stories.
My pleasure, Nate. Always happy to be here.
That's all the time we have for today, folks. Remember to keep an eye out for our next episode this Thursday. Until then, stay curious, stay informed. See you next time.